Summer is coming to an end. We've had so much fun in the summer of sales. I want you to know that the end of summer is near. If you can look up right there, you're gonna see some of that green is starting to turn yellow. It means that fall colors are coming. And I get it. You guys have been busy, you've been out doing your thing. You've been at the water parks, you've been out with the kids, you've been taking them to school, and that's totally fun. I hope you guys enjoyed your summer, but you guys have missed out on some great content. I'm gonna preview that in just a second. But I want you to know that perhaps the best session is coming this Thursday. We're really going to share one of the best marketing tricks ever. We're gonna teach you how to make offers in your marketing and your sales and your follow-up. And it's a really key lesson. It's how we've grown Rent Scale. It's how some of your favorite vendors have grown in the industry. And I know it's how some of your peers have grown because we've helped them do it. And we're gonna share all that with you in the last episode of Summer of Sales. If you're curious if this is quality content, watch this summary of the previous 3 sessions and choose for yourself. I hope to see you there.
We got a ton of content. Really excited to be here with Jeremy and Kristen and go over the kickoff of the Summer of Sales. So super excited about that.
Well, I'll tell you guys, this is number 1 for a reason, not just because this is what we do and sell, which could be a little self-serving. It's number 1 for a reason because if you don't do this, everything else we're about to share with you is like, building the second floor without the foundation being installed. So I think it's really important that every small business look at themselves and say, do I have a sales manual? Do I have a playbook? Can I teach somebody how to sell? So
whenever it comes to the success story collection, the reason that this is so important is because facts tell and stories sell. So if you're coming in and you are trying to sell property management services, you need to have success stories. And if you have sales professionals on your team, or if you're doing the sales and you have a team with you, you need to stay up to date on what's happening every day.
We don't tell you if you're coachable or not. We ask you how coachable you are. And through the repetition of asking that on a monthly basis, the scorecard, the tool that we're using is actually changing the behavior through small repetition, like washing water over stones.
I just think I really like that you used the pyramid visual for this because I've heard, and I've never tested it, but I've heard that if you were going to build a structure, like the pyramid is the most solid, stable structure that you can build. And I really like that you've used that graphic or that visual for us. So it's not like a shotgun approach where you are trying to hit all of these things all at once. It's more of let's get that strong foundation first. And then once we've accomplish that, then we build on to the next thing.
So by leveraging a cause-based referral program, you're taking and not just being another property management company. You're doing something that actually affects change in the world outside of doing what you already do, of helping tenants have the best experience, of helping owners to be able to build long-term financial freedom. You're now adding another pillar to what you're doing to help the world.
I think that's just really, really important that you pick something that's truly meaningful to you and people will pick up on your enthusiasm. We all here have passions and ways that we want to give back, and it doesn't have to be related to housing or property management. Don't feel like it does.